I hope this is the right place with the blue curtains.
You found it perfectly. I was just about to look outside.
I brought the sunflower because it reminded me of our chat.
It is the brightest flower I have ever seen in my life.
I am Lulu, and I'm much more nervous than I expected.
I am Tom, and I have been checking my watch every minute.
You look exactly like your profile picture, which is a relief.
I try to keep things honest, even in the digital world.
The air in this cafe smells like roasted beans and cinnamon.
It is my favorite spot for reading on Sunday mornings.
I love the small fairy lights hanging from the ceiling.
They make the whole room feel like a secret indoor garden.
Gardens are my natural habitat since I work as a florist.
I noticed the tiny daisies in your hair right away.
They're my little signature touch for special occasions.
This meeting definitely qualifies as a very special occasion.
I was worried I might be a few minutes late.
Being early just gave me more time to pick the best table.
The one in the corner by the window looks very cozy.
It has the softest cushions in the entire building.
Shall we sit down before someone else takes our spot?
I will lead the way and hold a chair for you.
You are a very traditional gentleman for a modern guy.
My mother taught me that kindness never goes out of style.
I agree with her. It is the most important quality.
The menu here is quite long, so take your time.
I usually decide what I want in about 5 seconds.
I am the opposite. I weigh every single option carefully.
Then I will help you choose something delicious today.
I would trust your taste over mine any day, Lulu.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
This milkshake has 3 different layers of chocolate.
It looks like a mountain of sugar and pure happiness.
I am tempted to order it, but I might regret it later.
Life is too short to skip the giant strawberry milkshake.
You are a very bad influence on my healthy eating habits.
I believe in balance, a salad for lunch and a shake for love.
That is a philosophy I can definitely support.
I think I will try the iced tea with fresh peach slices.
That sounds much more refreshing for a warm evening like this.
Look at the size of the cookies on the display counter.
They are as big as dinner plates. It is almost scary.
We could share one if we find ourselves still hungry.
Sharing a giant cookie sounds like a perfect plan to me.
The waiter is coming toward us with a silver tray.
I will order for both of us if you are ready.
Please go ahead. I like the way you talk to people.
2 milkshakes and 1 peach tea, please. Thank you.
Wait, did you just order a milkshake for yourself too?
Your life is short speech was very convincing, Lulu.
I am glad I could help you make such a sweet choice.
The sun is starting to dip behind the city buildings.
The light is turning everything into a warm golden color.
It matches the sunflower you brought with you perfectly.
You have a very poetic way of looking at things, Tom.
I think it's just the effect of the good company.
I'm starting to feel a lot more relaxed now.
Me too. The first 5 minutes are always the hardest.
Now we can just enjoy the drinks and the conversation.
I am curious to hear about your daily life among flowers.
It is a world full of colors and very muddy boots. This orchid took 3 years to bloom in my shop.
The petals look like velvet wings.
It is very temperamental and needs a specific temperature.
I have a hard time keeping even a simple cactus alive.
Most people kill cacti because they give them too much water.
I thought I was being kind by giving it a big drink.
You were drowning it with your kindness, poor little plant.
I will stick to software and leave the biology to you.
Do you build things that people use on their phones?
I design interfaces that are supposed to be easy to use.
I appreciate technology that doesn't make me feel confused.
My goal is to make everything as simple as a blue t-shirt.
Well, your t-shirt choice is definitely a classic one.
It saves me a lot of time in the morning, believe me.
I spend way too much time picking the right headband.
The daisy one you chose today was worth the effort.
Thank you. I have a drawer full of different floral themes.
Do you ever talk to your flowers while you work?
Every day, I tell them they are pretty so they grow faster.
Science might disagree, but I think it is a sweet idea.
What do you do for fun when you are not at a computer?
I enjoy taking long walks and finding hidden paths in the park.
Maybe you can show me one of those paths sometime.
I would love to be your guide in the local wilderness.
I'm also a big fan of old black and white movies.
The ones with the dramatic music and the rainy scenes?
Yes, they have a certain magic that modern films lack.
We should go to the vintage cinema downtown next week.
Is that an invitation for a second date already, Tom?
I am a man who knows when he finds something special. This milkshake is a masterpiece of dairy engineering.
You have a very determined look on your face right now.
I am trying to reach the cherry at the very bottom.
Be careful, the whipped cream is a bit unstable.
Oh no, I think I just felt something cold.
Tom, you have a perfect white dot right on your nose.
Did the cream jump out of the glass to attack me?
It wanted to be part of your signature look for the evening.
I must look absolutely ridiculous standing in this cafe.
You look like a very happy kid at a birthday party.
I will try to wipe it off with my blue sleeve.
No, don't do that. You will just make a big blue mess.
I am reaching for a napkin, but I can't find the holder.
Stay still. I have a clean napkin right here in my hand.
I feel like a toddler being cleaned up by his teacher.
Just hold your breath for 1 second, please.
The cream is gone, but I think I'm turning a bit red.
Your face matches the strawberry flavor of the shake.
At least I am providing some entertainment for the evening.
It was the most charming accident I have seen in a while.
I should probably avoid anything with whipped cream in the future.
No way! The world needs more people who enjoy life that much.
You have a very positive way of spinning every situation.
It is much better than being embarrassed and silent.
I am glad we can laugh about things so easily together.
It is a very good sign for a first meeting, don't you think?
It feels like we've known each other for years, not hours.
I think we finished the giant cookie without even noticing.
Time flies when you're having a whipped cream disaster.
Shall we take a walk while the sun is still out?
The river looks like it is made of liquid gold right now.
I love the way the light reflects off the ripples.
This path is much quieter than the main street we left.
I can hear the ducks complaining about the end of the day.
They are probably just discussing their dinner plans.
I hope they have something better than leftover bread.
The breeze carries a scent of jasmine from the gardens.
It is one of my favorite smells in the entire world.
I always associate it with the beginning of summer.
We have been walking for 20 minutes and I'm not tired.
Good shoes and good conversation make a long walk short.
Your blue jeans look almost purple in this evening light.
Every color's changing as the sky turns deeper pink.
I want to take a mental picture of this exact moment.
I am doing the same. It is a very peaceful scene.
I am glad I decided to wear this floral dress today.
It makes you look like a part of the landscape, Lulu.
You say the nicest things without even trying, Tom.
I am just describing what I see right in front of me.
Look at that old stone bridge across the water.
People say that if you make a wish there, it comes true.
I'm not sure if I believe in magic, but it's a nice idea.
Sometimes we make our own magic by just showing up.
I am very glad that I showed up at the cafe today.
I was worried you might find me a bit too simple.
Simple is exactly what the world needs more of right now.
Then I am happy to be your simple guide for the evening.
The first stars are starting to blink in the distance.
We should head back before it gets too dark to see the path.
I am happy to follow your lead, Tom.
We are back at your street, and the moon is finally up.
The street lamps give the trees such a theatrical look.
This was honestly the best evening I have had in a long time.
I feel like I am walking on a cloud of pink cotton candy.
I am still holding the sunflower you gave me earlier.
I hope you find a nice vase for it when you get home.
I will put it right on my desk so I see it every morning.
It will remind you of the girl with the daisies in her hair.
I don't think I could forget you even without the flower.
My house is just the one with the yellow door over there.
It looks like a very cheerful place to live, Lulu.
I try to keep it full of plants and bright colors.
I would love to see your flower shop during the day.
You are welcome to visit anytime. I make a mean cup of tea.
I will bring some more of those giant cookies if I come.
That sounds like a very fair trade for a cup of tea.
Can I ask you something before you go inside?
You have a very serious look on your face all of a sudden.
I was wondering if you would like to see that movie next week.
The black and white one at the Vintage Cinema?
Yes, I would really like to spend more time with you.
I would love that, Tom. I really would.
Your hands are as soft as petals.
And your hands are very warm and comforting.
I will call you tomorrow to figure out the timing.
I will be waiting for your call near my orchids.
Good night, Lulu. Sleep well and dream of sunflowers.
Good night, Tom. Thank you for a perfect first date.